1989. Very rare. Daihatsu Hijet Jumbo. This is very rare model. It's got only 6,800 miles or 7,800 miles. Let me see. 6,800 something miles. So it's a very low on miles. Very nice truck. Oil changed. Axle, front rear axle oil changed. Transmission transfer case oil changed. Spark plugs new. The wire and cap, distributor cap, brand new. It's a four-wheel drive, high-low gear. Very nice truck. I might put a lift kit on it, 2-inch, maybe. Look at that cap, very nice. Here's the lock. Yeah. Very clean, very good. If anybody interested, you can give me a call at 937-510-8059. Sam. Very clean, super clean inside. Yeah, it's got little shelf here to put some stuff. It's got some little seats, unfoldable for kids on the back. It's been painted in Japan. It's used to be white, you can tell inside. Here is the button operated four-wheel drive and high-low gear switch. 5-speed. Here's the miles. Very clean, very nice. Antenna, everything intact. So if anybody interested, give me a call. Have a blessed day.